What tools can our marketing team use to improve the quality and speed of content creation? Marketing teams today have more AI tools than they know what to do with. You've got chat assistants that crank out drafts, SEO platforms that tune for keywords, grammar tools that polish, and workflow apps that push everything through production. On paper, it sounds like the perfect stack for speed, but most teams run into the same reality. Individual steps get faster, yet the overall system stays slow. Drafts come out generic, facts drift, voice gets inconsistent, and then your team spends the time you were supposed to save rewriting, reprompting, and stitching together outputs from tools that don't talk to each other. So the real question isn't which AI writer should we add? It's what combination of tools improves both quality and speed without creating more rework. To do that, your stack needs three things working together. First, you need generative drafting tools. These are great at getting you from blank page to first draft quickly. The catch is that they default to the public internet, which means average content unless they're grounded in your specifics. Drafting tools give speed, but not accuracy or differentiation on their own. Second, you need optimization and editing tools. SEO platforms help align content with search intent and topics buyers care about. Editing tools help tighten language and catch surface errors. These tools improve performance and polish, but they don't solve the hardest problems: your proprietary facts, your positioning, and your brand voice. They optimize what's there, not whether what's there actually sounds like you or says the right thing. That leads to the third and most missing layer: a centralized brand knowledge base. This is the foundation that turns speed into quality. If AI doesn't have a reliable source of truth about your product, strategy, proof points, and voice, it will guess. And every guess becomes time your team spends correcting. A knowledge base gives every tool in your stack the same consistent fuel, so outputs start accurate and on brand instead of needing heavy fixing later. This is where Yolando fits. Yolando's knowledge base acts as machine-readable brand memory. Your voice guidelines, product specs, differentiators, competitive context, and validated proof points in one structured place. Instead of manually stuffing all that context into every prompt, your AI tools can pull from a single approved source. That reduces rework, eliminates factual drift, and keeps tone consistent across channels. Then, Yolando's marketing studio puts that knowledge to work. Because it's directly connected to your knowledge base, it generates drafts that are fast and specific to your brand from the first pass. The output doesn't just sound polished, it reflects your real perspective and includes your real evidence. That's how you get scale without losing identity. And to make sure you're creating the right things, Yolando's AI Discoverability shows which prompts and topics AI models already associate with your category, where competitors are winning attention, and where your narrative has gaps. That insight feeds your content plan, so your speed is aimed at the highest impact opportunities. So the best stack for quality and speed isn't a bigger pile of point tools. It's drafting and optimization tools grounded in a shared brand memory with a feedback loop that tells you what to create next. Yolando provides that missing connective layer, so your team spends less time fixing AI content and more time shipping great work.